cold, hot, wet, or just dusty. If your machine vision solutions are expected to reliably meet the highest requirements, far beyond standardized lab environments, industrial cameras that are tough when it's rough is all you need. Here's our answer. The cameras of the CX series with extended temperature range from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius and optional water and dust-tight housing with IP65-67 rating. Just right for demanding applications in harsh environments, well above the standards, and where you prefer solutions without additional cooling or heating. The CX series, cost-efficient application solutions.